Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If you are seeing the MS Gaming Overlay error on your PC or laptop, do not worry. This issue is usually caused by a small setting that can be fixed easily. In this video, I will show you how to fix MS Gaming Overlay error step by step. First, open the Start menu. Search for Registry Editor and open it. Now you need to follow this path. Go to HKey Current User. Then open Software. Scroll down and open Microsoft. Now find and open Windows. Then open Current Version. Now click on Game DVR. Do not open it, just select it. On the right side, look for a file called App Capture Enabled. Double-click on it. Now change the value from 1 to 0. Click OK to save. If you do not see this file, you can create it. Right-click on Empty Space. Click on New, then select DWORD 32-bit value. Name it App Capture Enabled. Now double-click on it and set the value to 0. Click OK. After doing this, restart your PC or laptop. The MS Gaming Overlay error should now be fixed. That is how you fix MS Gaming Overlay error on your PC or laptop. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro for more PC troubleshooting tutorials.